Hey friends, if you encounter service host, local system, high CPU or disk usage on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the best resolution is to disable the super fetch service if you have it. Now, all systems don't have it, but I'll show you. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the super text service. Okay, and if you find it, if you don't find it, that's a different thing. If you find it, then simply right click on it and stop this service or disable it. So if this doesn't work, then perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke an SFC scan on your system. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on your computer. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.